ground, bend down market, completely engulfed. Man, them light it a fire after we come on a contact since night.
At 11:54 p.m. last night, the Jamaica Fire Brigade received this call of fire. On our arrival at the given location, we saw the Ray Ray market fully engulfed in flames. The fire was raging. The fire brigade quickly got into operation, and after approximately 1 hour of rigorous firefighting, the firefighters were able to bring this fire under control. However, cooling down operation continued into this morning at approximately 7:30 a.m. So far, our fire investigators are on location trying to determine how the fire started and also the nature of the damage. 4 fire units and 35 firefighters battled the blaze from York Park, Port Royal, Rollington Town and Portmore Fire Station.
Ray grow because every year we get burned out. And we need entrepreneurs to help all of the egg of them in Ray ground because we get burnt out. We never yet get anything from the Prime Minister to Ray ground. All of our clothes them get burned out, so we well need help on the egg of them. Please, Mr. Owners, please come and help in Ray ground now. We spend so much money on bill with stall and cry and tears on with this morning because we need some help in Ray ground right now, Andrew Owners. We need it right now, Andrew, because we're tired of the burnout.
Do you know how the fire started?
Nobody knows. We're fed up.
Nobody
We're fed
knows.
up, Prime Minister now. Help. We need a lot of help. Because all our things then get burned out. And we need a lot of help.
How long have you been selling here in Ray?
40 years now since me are selling Ray ground and been getting burning out. And I don't have any money this time to build back my stand. So
Government, come on, man, we need help, we want it. And we are stand out for the help here now, because everything gone down the drain for we now, So here we better come talk to we now. So we are going to take the street to we now. We are go up on the street, we can't bother with this no more. We don't have no loan to get here now, because some of our old loan all long and can't pay back. You understand me?
This is a regular thing.
Yeah, regular burnout.
How much time now since you have been here since
About 9 times since me there now this burn out. Me just come from Friday now. Everything burn up for me. No man, we can't take this.
Welcome again people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.